We thank you for joining us here on Wilderness Weather. I'm meteorologist Thomas Gathright here on the afternoon of October 30th, 2024. We've got a tornado watch this evening for much of north and northwestern and northern Oklahoma, and it starts right here in Cleveland County in Norman and extends up through Oklahoma City, all the way up towards Ponca City and Stillwater and Enid, all the way up towards Wichita and just south of Salina, Kansas. And then it goes as far west as Woodward, Oklahoma. Now there's a lot that we got to monitor here. At the moment, storms are looking more linear than expected at this point in time, which means that the storms, they're producing a lot more straight line winds instead of the potential for tornadoes. So something we're still going to monitor, because as it progresses east, right around sunset, there's going to be a big surge to the north out of the south of some winds that are just above the surface. As you can tell, it's been a really windy past 3 days, and there's some wind. You can probably hear some wind blowing around me right now, and the winds just above the surface are going to make a big surge northward right before sunset, which is right around when those storms are going to be approaching the Oklahoma City metro area. And that's our concern, because when you've got winds coming out of the south at the surface and winds coming out of the west and a little bit to the northwest up above, that's when we're going to have more of a risk of some tornadoes. So at the moment, the thread is looking slightly lower than it was when the watch was issued, because the storms at the moment are producing more straight line winds. But when these storms march eastward, that's when we're going to be looking a little concerned. I'm thinking 7 to 9 p.m. for the Oklahoma City metro area, and Norman is going to be the main time frame. 7 to 9 will be when we really need to watch these storms coming in, especially 8 to 9. I feel like it's going to be right around that time frame. So yeah, certainly stay tuned. Yeah, tornadoes is certainly a threat. Damaging winds and even hail is certainly possible tonight too. So if it looking like things are going to be getting bad right around 7, I'll probably make another video. But if not, just stay tuned, and thanks, and have a great safe evening.